Hello, everybody. Hello. It's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, run and subscribe and hit the notification and bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. My people, today, now about mother-in-law. About mother-in-law. You know, if maybe you want marry ladies, listen, if you want marry and the mother-in-law not like you and one person not like you for the family, I beg no enter. No enter because they fit do anything just to get rid of you so that me you come off for there. They fit do anything. You understand, my people? So this one na true life story wey really happen. You understand? So I dey always dey talk am say a woman, if man wan marry you, if man dey date you, let that man dey love you pass the way you take love am, and then the thing go dey sweet, na e go work. If na you love am pass, you go listen to him mama. He no go love you back. You go make sure say he do wetin him mama say make he do. But if he love you, there's nothing wey your mama go tell you when he go tell am, when he go listen. Lie. He can never listen. You understand, my people? Okay, see this one now wey happen, my people. Muna listen, muna still learn from this one. So this man, he married this woman. He really loved the woman. He loved her so much. So anything when anybody tell him, he know they listen. So this man loved his wife. My mother always tell him, say, make him leave this woman. He not like him. You understand? But the boy said, now waiting in like. Now go my way in those dates. We bring luck to him. So you know if you leave him. You must say make you leave him. Why if mama they do all those things? All because of the friend daughter. You understand? Now make sure they always do the thing. But the guy say he not feel leave his wife for anybody. And I understand. So they did like that. Then the woman now can get belle for this man. So as he get belle, he can go tell him mama say, this woman get belle. He say okay. He can't give am something. Say me the drink so that the pikin go dey okay. So the boy the man can't really take the medicine. He can't carry and go ask me go give the wife. But so lucky, his wife don't drink am. So now this man go say, this one when the mama give am something, say make him go give. He not trust am because his mama not like this girl. So he not trust him mama. So now he can carry the thing follow body, go village. So he can't go he can't tell his wife. We say, but he don't want me you drink this thing. He not trust him mama. But he go put the thing for he go carry the thing, go village, go give him mama, put her for him mama food, make his own mama drink, take him. Maybe he go dey so that make him know whether this thing go really, when they really give his wife, whether na good thing. Because he know say mama really hates his wife well. So now he can't really carry the thing, he can't go village. So as he reach there, he can't greet his mama. Your mama can say, my pikin, you come, you can't greet him. So now you can give him food when he bring. You can say, you bring food for me, you can't eat him. So now you can ask and say, you give your wife the medicine when I give you. He say, yes, but the medicine I put on beside this food, mama, because I want me you fair test them before I go give my wife, make he drink them. Now your mama begin to say, you put this thing for inside my food? He say, yes. And mama begin to shout. He begin to cry, the shout. Say, hey, you don't kill me, oh. You don't kill me, oh. Now I say, mama, I don't understand. I don't kill you for waiting. So you mean I say you be put this thing for my wife so that make my wife die? He say, no, no. The thing no, he say na poison. Now he be give and make go give your wife so that make he kill him. And I see my people. So that make he kill him. Now make he be give her the medicine, make go give his wife. As the woman can't drink him now, the woman can't die. The mother-in-law can't die. So as he die now, the woman now say, Whether make she, because the boy can't call the wife, say, ah, mama don die. Oh. That medicine when they be give me, say, man, I can't give you. Now I put for her food. Now she don't die. So that the woman now say, make him talk, come out, say, see what happen, or make she just keep the thing to their self. That be the advice which she need. Now make she keep the thing, or make she talk and come out. My people, I beg, this one a lesson. If mother-in-law no love you, if we do anything, you know, see what it be want to put to this our sister now. If not be say God will help am, now she for even die. So some people, they always they do this thing. When mother-in-law no go love them, they'll say they must marry. And you see why be say good name man, they love you. May you not they dead, they die, they present to yourself. So some women they man not even love them, you not saying them, they go see they there, you know. A man will not love if you do this kind of thing now. If you really take the thing because anything matter them because he himself not even like you. But this one, they love his wife. Now make abide to him mama rules. You una the same. Or because what he make him mama not like this girl, so he want his friend daughter, he want make his son marry him. Now he be the hatred when he get for the girl. Not say the girl do him anything. Una the same, my people. Una the see story. If you hear so kind story, you go tire. You go tire. Say, tis the happen for this world, tis the really happen. Now you want choose woman for your son. So your son, grown up man, not choose wife for himself again. I don't understand. If now man where they listen to a mama now, if I really take the thing. I know they happy say the woman die, but this one I do body. Waiting in be want do to another person, I can't put her. But that is back to sender. You see Anna, my people. If a man not love you, he not get one single love for you. Not go there. Nothing like say man love you. This our brother and I love when he love your wife. Now make you not give your wife that thing because he not trust him mama. You see Anna. So many people they go say I beg you, what they happen, nothing they happen. We go did there. The man of it do anything. But this one now, when I see what the woman be want do to this our sister, if not be God, we save her. If not be God, we save her. No, I don't know the talk. Say women, let man the love now. I beg, let man the love now. Not be the one way he be say man no go send una go still dey there. Let man the love una. If una hear many story when I go break up man later, all of una go shock. Say, tis the apple for this world, my people. Tis the really apple. Okay, what we go tell this woman now? Make him talk the thing, come out. Tell the village people, make all of the year, or make they keep the thing to their self. What you wanna think, my people? You will go watch this video later. You wait they watch me now. We go watch this video later. Wait till you think. You think make she talk and come out. Or make she go report am to police. Because if you report am to police go arrest your husband. So what did she go do now? Make she just keep the thing to herself. Una think so? For me, I don't know. But una think make she really keep the thing to herself. Things they happen though. Things they really happen. So me one have to be careful for some mother-in-law. Because I'm not really serious the way to make you be one kill the girl. So one have to be careful. So my people, now this small story, now see make I talk today. Who get here, make it here. If mother-in-law not love you, not go there. If it's even his sister, you know that his sister, that can be their mama, he not love you, not go there. I beg, they feel do anything to you. You understand? So now be the thing. So no problem, my people. I might leave now. if you know you have not subscribed, subscribe and share this video for me, because I want everybody to see this video, because of wetin dey happen for this world now. Things dey really happen, you know. So one have to be careful. So thank you everybody, and God bless you until I come your way next time. I remain Lady J. Thank you. Share this video. Bye.